brand new for 2018 is the kids' wake surfboard that we couldn't be more excited about. It's called the Microwave and it's awesome. Instead of just scaling down a larger board, the Microwave has been designed from the ground up to have the perfect dimensions for young rippers. This skim-style board sits nicely in the water, is super stable, and has plenty of forward drive. It is one of the only boards on the market where kids can actually control the board, rather than the board controlling them, making it much easier to surf the board from rail to rail, do 360s, and launch airs. This is also a great board for teaching kids. The color-coded pads remind the surfer where they need to shift their weight when they need to adjust their speed. Green means go, so shift your weight over the green pad to speed up. Red means stop, so shift towards the red pad to put on the brakes. This truly is the ultimate Grom board, making surfing easier and more fun for every level of young ripper.